everybody, welcome back, and today's video is on the GLAMEGO subscription box for the month of August 2018. I have received my GLAMEGO subscription box for this month, and I was eagerly waiting for it, and finally I have got my parcel. And today I am unboxing this video. If you want to see the unboxing of GLAMEGO box with a short vlog kind of and stuff, I have also uploaded a vlog of mine where I have shared my personal experience of my wedding anniversary celebration, and then I have unboxed the GLAMEGO subscription box in that as well. So if you are not interested to see my vlog and just you are interested to see the subscription box unboxing and the review, here is this video just completely focused on the unboxing video, unboxing the stuffs from the GLAMEGO subscription box for the month of August. Now, without wasting more time, let's cut short and let's quickly get on the unboxing. First of all, to speak about the packaging of the product, the presentation, this is just amazing. This is my favorite subscription box. I love unbox from GLAMEGO. I'm always happy to purchase my subscription box from them because the presentation, the quality what they give is just amazing, and they always come up with one or the other theme, and that is the amazing part. You know, you are investing so much of time to make your box look so approachable. That is one thing which I love the most, that they spend so much of quality time on presentation, you know, presenting the product. They make things so communicative and we actually connect. I personally connect. You know, there's always a story, there's always that interaction, kind of a very friendly gesture in the box of what we receive. So they build that connectivity. Basically, the products are so very friendly in nature. You can just make out it's so lively, so friendly, so you feel connected when you look at the subscription box. You know, it speaks, the product speaks, and that's what I like the most. The team has put in such a lovely effort in the presentation, so neat, so clean, so elegant, and so communicative. This is the lovely thing which I like in the presentation. Now let's cut on the presentation. I've spoken a lot about it, and let's move on. Speaking about the look of the product, here there is a writing which says teri meri banti nahi par tere bina meri chalti nahi. This is a Friendship's Day special, since August is the month of Friendship's Day, and they have chosen Friendship's Day as the topic. So this is it. This is the box focused on the Friendship's Day theme. Lovely pink color and very nice quality. The quality is just lovely, amazing. The cardboard what they have used, it's so neat, so clean, and you know, it's so nice. The cardboard stuff, it's so very good in quality. And how does this open? This opens up this way. There is this magnetic touch here which you can use it later. Okay, this is the magnetic touch. Lovely. Yeah, they charge around 399 rupees, and they give such lovely products, lovely, wonderful, amazing products, and with the lovely packaging and the box, it's just amazing. Let's open now. And here, as soon as you open, it says India's #1 beauty box, and as soon as I open, what I've got is the card, the content card, the lovely content card. It speaks about all the products in the box very clearly. Here they have given the product, the pricing of the product, and some information about the product, which is really very nice. And they have given the total value of the products they have given is 3,199 rupees. All are premium products. Yes, of course, I agree that. And you are getting this for 399 only. And See here, such a lovely card where you get the details of the product, a few information about it, the costing of it, and very well presented. So I'm impressed with the content card. Few of the boxes do not have the content card, but this one has, which I liking it. So as soon as I open the box, this is how the box looks. Let me show you the look of it. So I have got this. One second. This is how it looks. I have the collagen eye mask, I have the lipstick, and 2 water products, and here is this lovely hair. So earlier they used to give the natural hair. This is the plastic one, which looks amazing for the pink white combination. It's just amazing. So let's pick the product one by one. The first product of mine is the Monsup Eye Collagen Mask, Gold Eye Mask. This is the product. See, if you can make out. Okay, so this is the Monsup Eye Collagen Mask. I haven't used this yet. I don't know how this works, but I've heard a lot, and definitely I will be using this. And this costs around 200 rupees, and details of how to use it, the usage procedure has been given here, which you can read out and use this. And the best part is you can use 2 to 3 times per week, and all you have to do is just apply this under your eye for 20 to 30 minutes, and you need to you should be seeing the results. So this is my first product, which I'm really happy with. And my next product is the Bella Voste lip shade. Bella Voste lip shades, I always like it because the product, you know, the lip shades are always very nice. And this is the packaging of this lip shade. It's a perfect gloss, so it's a glossy lip shade, and the quantity is 3.2 ml. The color I have picked up is pink in shade. This is worth 599 rupees, so around 600, and the shade of mine is pink. So this is my lip shade, pink in shade. First I had taken red and then I selected pink. So this is my lip shade, Bella Voste lip shade. This is just an amazing color, but this is a gloss, it's not the matte. So let's open. So this is my shade, like I've already showed you. This is my shade. Okay, see, like I said, it's not matte, it's gloss. So whichever dark color you choose, it will look light. See, okay, so this is my lip shade. So this was my second product. Let me keep it here. And next product of mine comes is the water product. These are the 2 products. These are my third and fourth product, and those will be the last ones. So we totally get 4 products. I have already shown you 2 products. Okay, now these are my third and fourth. I just love this products. I was waiting for these, and especially for these products I have purchased this, you know, the subscription box. These are 2 lovely products. These are the star products for me in the GLAMEGO box. And this is the water sleeping mask. It's a night serum. So details are here. It's for the hydration and glow on the face. Okay, so while you have to apply it, so you have to apply that while sleeping. And this is the Jelly Radiant Mask, Glitter and Glow. Okay, this you have to apply it in the daytime, and you just have to apply it until it dries up and then wash it off. And both the products are with the quantity 30 grams. So these are of 30 grams. The worth of it is 1,200 rupees. Let me open and show you all. This is the serum, lovely serum. Aroma is just amazing. Just amazing, you know, the aroma is just, I'm loving the aroma. This is just amazing. Awesome smell. Wow. This smells so heavenly. Very nice. And this is my glitter glow serum. Wow. This also smells so fresh, so nice. See, this is the glitter glow, and let me take this. And this is the sleeping serum. Just see, both are so glidable, so soft, so very easy absorbable, and smells heavenly good, So my products in the GLAMEGO box are these, which I'm loving it. All the 4 products are amazing product, worth box for 399 rupees. You are getting lovely products here worth 3,199 rupees. And this was my unboxing video of this GLAMEGO subscription box for the Friendship Day special. If you've liked the video, click on the like button and subscribe my channel to stay connected, and I'll be back with another interesting video.